This week we're kicking off our first ever virtual Spirit Week.
Using social media to spread school spirit during the COVID-19 shutdown. Several schools across the district are holding virtual Spirit Weeks. All week, the principals have asked students and families to participate in different themed days as a way to promote school pride as students work from home.
So just some fun activities to inspire our students, to motivate them, and to give our parents a breather from everything that's going on in the world the past month.
We wanted to stay in touch with them and to let them know that through these uncharted times and unprecedented times, that we're still here supporting them and that we can still show and promote school spirit.
Our posts each day have been getting a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of likes, and I think that as I look through the pictures, people are really enjoying the virtual Spirit Week that we did this week.
Each school had a different schedule of events for their Spirit Weeks that they posted to their Facebook pages. Some schools asked students to take part in a variety of different activities, like getting active outside or showing off what book they're reading, while other schools wanted students to take pictures with their pets or dress up like superheroes and more.
It really warms my heart to be able to still see all of my kids and see all the smiles on their faces. It lets me know that they're dealing with the current situation, fairly well. They still have their, spunky personalities. They've added in their humor. They've added in some fun. And it also lets me know that they miss our school community just as much as our school community is missing them.
When I go on the Facebook page and I look at the pictures, it makes me happy. I think that everybody agrees that they get into education because they love working with kids, they love being around kids. So still being able to see our students, seeing them participate in fun in different ways, it just makes you feel good.
The principals say having a virtual Spirit Week was a great way to add some fun to the kids' routines at home and would like to thank the parents for being supportive during this time.
And the feedback has been very positive, especially with our Facebook posts, with our parents, with our students, with our community. It's all been great. So we appreciate the virtual Spirit Week, and it's just keeping our kids engaged in the learning process, and that's what it's about.
I'd like to take a moment just to thank all of our families for everything that they are doing. They are embracing our new normal and jumping in with both feet, basically, with whatever it is that we've asked them to do. So I just would personally like to thank them for everything that they do. So thank you, families.
We are kicking off Virtual Spirit Week today.
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
So, get moving, Owls. Take those videos, send those pictures in, have fun.